chasing echoes, chasing stars. We remember who we are. Hold on, carry us apart. Hi, I just completed my yoga session. Um, I did a yoga session by Adrienne, and I think I stumbled onto her YouTube channel good few years back. I don't know, 5 6 years ago, and I think hers is the best yoga YouTube channel that I've ever come across, and I think she's been a part of my journey all along. And whenever I want to de-stress, whenever I want to have a relaxing movement day, her videos are my go-to videos. And I just feel a lot more calm. I mean, I was not really in the mood to talk. Reason being, I went to bed yesterday at 12, and the same thing happened. I could not sleep yesterday, and I was up until 5 in the morning. I stayed in bed. I don't know. I think it's happening so frequently these days that if it happens once, like a couple of days ago, or maybe I think day before yesterday, I am usually able to push myself to do something productive, but I don't know. I think yesterday a little bit of negativity crept in, and I just stayed in bed. But I didn't do anything else. I just um, so by the time I actually went to sleep, um, it was already 5 in the morning. So I switched off all my alarms, and I woke up at the last possible minute, um, because it's a weekday. So obviously, I got up. I had black coffee. I really needed black coffee today. Usually, I drink black coffee to just give me that kick to work out, but I think today I really needed that help to basically open my eyes. uh, Tough morning, but anyway, I started with my day, and I got some time in between now. And I don't know, I think just for some reason I feel disappointed today. I mean, I'm trying to you know work on a lot of things. I'm trying to just in general just be better, but I was just disappointed, and I thought maybe I need to de-stress and maybe just try and be a little more positive about the day. So it was not even a question. Like, I knew that I want to not weight train, or I don't want to do anything else. Like, I knew it, right after I woke up, that I want to do something relaxing today. I do want to move. I mean, that is something that I want to do intentionally because it makes me feel better. So of course I wanted to move, but I just immediately thought I have to do a yoga session. And today's was a relaxing flow, and I can feel like I'm just a lot more calm than I was before doing this yoga session. So good, good. I think it was much needed today, and I think it's already a lot later to have breakfast right now. But I also did not keep chia pudding last night because these days I'm relying on protein along with my workouts. So that was the initial plan. So I didn't put chia seeds in fridge. So I don't have anything for breakfast, but I think I can have my lunch. So for lunch, I'm thinking I do have chicken fingers from yesterday night. I don't know. I think I'm craving cheese. I don't know. I want something cheesy, I guess. Um, it's been a while, so I just prepared my lunch. So we have chicken wings from yesterday. I didn't make a dip today, but I did take a Diet Coke with it. If it feels dry, I'll kind of have Diet Coke. And I was craving something cheese, so I made mac and cheese. I tried making mac and cheese, so I'm not sure. I don't think I've ever made mac and cheese at home, so let's see how it's going to be. I also added black pepper and salt. So there's nothing else, just milk, cheese, macaroni, black pepper and salt. So this will be my lunch and I will see you later. Hello, so I'm having my dinner right now and I made, basically these are rice paper spring rolls, extremely crispy. And also one more thing, I made chili oil, so I poured a little chili oil over the top, very basic. And I also made a yogurt dip. I am going to have this now for my dinner. I also have a few more spring rolls left, but they are still in the air fryer because it's hot. And if I would, I'll take more if I feel like eating. And I guess that's all for today. I'll see you tomorrow.